So my wife is sleeping. We'll let her sleep, and I gotta make this a quiet video so I don't wake up the house. I was out yesterday and I got stuck on a little hill going up, doing a delivery. I had the delivery with me, and I was like, oh man, winter's definitely back, and the roads were horrible. Just that snow on top of the ice, and now my car wasn't going. Like my front tires, not that they're bald, but they're not winters. Back tires are winters, but it's a front wheel drive, so I would just spin it. And I had to back down the wrong way and get out of there, which was really tough. And there was a truck behind me, so it made it kind of scary. And I said, well, after this, I'm just going home. And I did. So yesterday, I took yesterday off. And I got to have a day off here and there in the winter, because it's just, it gets too crazy on the roads and too hard to drive. But I am plugging away, and I might go out today. I don't know. Let's just go out and see what it looks like outside, and then I'll see if I want to go out or not. I haven't shown you yet in a little bit, but yeah, you can see that it's wintry out. See, the roads are just, yeah, the way they are, so makes it really difficult. But it's going to be sunny today, so we'll see. Anyway, I got to have a break from that driving for a little bit. But I got to make money too, so it's called surviving. Surviving this present wicked eon. Surviving everything. Thanking God while surviving, as He graces us to survive. Because we wouldn't survive without the strength and love of God, and we have that every minute of every day. He protects us and keeps us. This is the word for today. Injustice. There's your Greek. English elements. Unjustness. All right, there you go. The concordant scripture, Romans chapter 9, verse 14. What then shall we be declaring? Not that there is injustice with God. May it not be coming to that. Romans 1:18. For God's indignation is being revealed from heaven on all the irreverence and injustice of men who are retaining the truth in injustice. Romans 1:29, filled with all injustice, wickedness, evil, greed, distended with envy, murder, strife, guile, depravity, whispers. Romans 2:8, yet to those of faction and stubborn, indeed as to the truth, yet persuaded to injustice, indignation and fury. Romans 3:5, now if our injustice is commending God's righteousness, what shall we declare? Not that God, who is bringing on indignation, is unjust. As a man, am I saying this? Romans 6:13, nor yet be presenting your members as implements of injustice to sin, but present yourself to God as if alive from among the dead, and your members as implements of righteousness of God. 1 Corinthians 13:6, is not rejoicing in injustice, yet rejoicing together with the truth. 2 Corinthians 12:13, for is there anything in which you are discomfited above the rest of the ecclesias, except that I myself am not an encumbrance to you? Deal graciously with me for this injustice. 2 Thessalonians 2:10, and with every seduction of injustice among those who are perishing, because they do not receive the love of the truth for their salvation. 2 Thessalonians 2:12, that all may be judged who do not believe the truth, but delight in injustice. And 2 Timothy 2:19, howbeit the solid foundation of God stands, having the seal, that the Lord knew those who are his. And let everyone who is naming the name of the Lord withdraw from injustice.